Yeah, I can do that. Hold on, I gotta downshift. There's a tractor in front of me. TikTok, I am not driving, okay? So, I think the big, dumb, long, fancy fucking job title for what I do, like the big, dumb, long, fancy job title, it's a fucking car. I am a heavy-duty diesel technician that works specifically in the field of heavy-duty tractor-trailer combination repair with air brakes. I specifically, like, my specialization is drive lines. That's the shit that I'm classically trained in, which is just a big old dumb fuck off way of saying I plain old just work on trucks. Bumper to bumper on an 18-wheeler, what I touch is everything except for the body. I am not a body guy. I've never been a body guy. One day I would like to be, but I just am not. I'm not good at body work. I'm not good at laying paint down. I'm not good at getting dents out. You know, I need to get better at it, but it's just not something I've ever been good at. But bumper to bumper, from stem to stern, 18 wheels on the highway, I can fucking fix it. Air leaks, air brake diag, electrical diag, you know, if your ECM's acting up, you ain't got no fucking turn signals, why the fuck is my radio doing this? Shit like that. Full engine overhauls, full transmission overhauls, automatic all the way to manual, everything in between. I can rebuild differentials, I can track down driveline vibrations, I can do emissions equipment. Like I said, stem to stern, 18 wheels on the highway, I can fix it as long as it ain't the body. I can do the body, it just ain't gonna look fucking pretty. I can make the body of your semi-truck look good enough for me. Have you seen what I drive? Body work, in my opinion, standards are very low for my shit. As I'm driving this car right now, there's paint chips flying off of it. Trust me, I don't give a shit about the way that it looks. I give a shit about the way that it drives and the way that it acts. Tires, brakes, services, wheel seals, I don't know. Pinion seals, I really can't think of many things on a truck that I can't fix other than the body. That's what I do for work. I show up at my employer's shop at 7 a.m. and I leave at 6 p.m. I am scheduled for 4 days, puts me at 40 hours. I typically work 5, if not work Saturday as well, because I like money. But yeah, that's what I do. It's what I've really always wanted to do. I started small and I worked my way up. And I mean, when I started small, I say I started small. I'm talking fucking chainsaws and push mowers and made it here. This was always the goal. I always wanted it to be this. And I fucking love it. Knew I always wanted to work on, around, or with semi-trucks, and now I do it. Couldn't be happier. I literally just want to fuck with trucks for the rest of my life. It would make me so happy if this is all I did for the rest of my life. And it looks like it's going to be, because it's like one of 3 things I've ever actually been halfway good at. I can do other things. I used to work on houses. I'm not the fastest at it, but I could build you a house. I know how that shit works. I can wire a house. Like I said, not the fastest at it, but I can do it. But this is the shit that I'm, like I said, one of the 3 things I've ever been halfway decent at. So I love it. I'm gonna keep doing it.